Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Edmonds County in
Here
north-central
we
South
go.
Dakota, northwestern Fox County in north-central South Dakota, eastern Potter County in north-central South Dakota, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, or 15 miles northeast of Gettysburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tolstoy around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Onega around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Loyalton, Roscoe, Ipswich, and Pembroke Colony. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota, Edmonds and Fox.